Hello everyone. In this video we shall discuss about Bollywood actors, fathers and their relationship. Vivek Oberoi, father's name Suri Oberoi. Second is Shahid Kapoor, father Roja Kapoor. Third is Salman Khan, father Salim Khan. Fourth is Varun Dhawan, father Rawat Dewan. Fifth is John Abraham, father Abraham John. Sixth is Ajay Devgan, father Viru Devgan. Seventh is the Malhotra, father Snell Malhotra. Eighth is Dinesh Irani, father name Puna Irani. Tanashwar Roman Irani. Thank you for watching.